Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we are counting down our picks for the 7 shocking facts about Neom City, Saudi Arabia. Neom is a planned megacity development project located in the northwest of Saudi Arabia. It is an ambitious initiative undertaken by the Saudi Arabian government to diversify its economy and promote innovation and technological advancements in the country. Neom aims to become a global hub for various industries including technology, renewable energy, tourism, entertainment and more. The name Neom is derived from two words, Neo meaning new and Am representing the Arabic word for future. This reflects the city's vision of creating a futuristic and sustainable urban environment. Neom is envisioned as a smart and eco-friendly city that leverages advanced technologies and sustainable practices to enhance the quality of life for its residents. Covering an area of approximately 26,500 square kilometers, 10,200 square miles. Neom is designed to incorporate diverse landscapes including coastline, desert and mountains. It is strategically positioned near the Red Sea, which provides opportunities for marine-related activities and tourism. The project aims to attract both domestic and international investors as well as a highly skilled workforce from various fields. Neom offers unique economic zones with special regulations and incentives to encourage business growth and foster innovation. The city intends to create a thriving entrepreneurial ecosystem and become a global center for research and development. Some of the key sectors that Neom focuses on include robotics, artificial intelligence, renewable energy, biotechnology, entertainment and tourism. The city plans to utilize advanced technologies such as drones, autonomous vehicles and renewable energy sources to create a sustainable and efficient urban infrastructure. Neom's development is divided into multiple phases, with the first phase aiming to be completed by 2025. The project has attracted significant investment with the Saudi Arabian government committing over $500 billion to its development. It has also garnered interest from international companies and investors who see the potential for growth and innovation in the region. Overall, Neom City in Saudi Arabia is a visionary project that aims to create a technologically advanced and sustainable city, fostering economic diversification and driving innovation in the kingdom. Here are 7 shocking facts about Neom City. Number 7. Economic impact. Neom City aims to diversify Saudi Arabia's economy and reduce its dependence on oil revenue. The project is expected to attract significant foreign direct investment and create job opportunities across various sectors. If successful, Neom City has the potential to become a global economic powerhouse and reshape the region's economic landscape. Number 6. Robot workforce. Neom City envisions a future where robots and AI play a significant role in various sectors. It plans to create an environment where humans and machines work together seamlessly. The project aims to employ an extensive robot workforce in industries like healthcare, manufacturing and logistics. This concept, through revolutionary, raises questions about the potential impact on traditional jobs and the need for human workers in the city. Number 5. Legal and social framework. Neom City aims to create a unique legal and social framework to foster innovation and attract global talent. The city plans to establish its own regulations and laws, potentially differing from those of the rest of Saudi Arabia. This approach could provide a more liberal and open environment, but it also raises questions about potential conflicts with existing legal systems and societal norms. Number 4. Privacy concerns. Neom City's development raises concerns about privacy and surveillance. The city plans to implement extensive smart city infrastructure including advanced surveillance systems, facial recognition technology and data analytics. While these technologies can enhance security and improve urban management, they also raise questions about individual privacy and the potential for abuse or misuse of personal data. Number 3. Environmental sustainability. One of the most surprising aspects of Neom City is its commitment to environmental sustainability. The project aims to be 100% powered by renewable energy sources such as solar and wind. Neom City plans to utilize advanced technologies like smart grids and energy storage systems to achieve this goal. Additionally, the city intends to prioritize sustainable water management, waste recycling and ecological preservation. Number 2. Autonomous everything. Neom City aims to be a pioneer in autonomous technology. From autonomous vehicles to drone taxis, the city plans to have a significant reliance on AI-driven transportation systems. The goal is to create a highly efficient and sustainable city by reducing traffic congestion, improving safety and minimizing carbon emissions. Number 1. Scale and ambition. Neom City, an ambitious endeavor by Saudi Arabia, covering an area of approximately 26,500 square kilometers, 10,230 square miles along the Red Sea coast. To put this into perspective, it is larger than some countries such as Bahrain or Luxembourg. It is designed to be 33 times the size of New York City, making it one of the largest and most ambitious city development projects in the world. The Saudi Arabian government has committed to investing around $500 billion in the project. The scale of the project is mind-boggling, encompassing not only urban areas but also vast expanses of untouched desert and coastline. These shocking facts about Neom City demonstrate the grand vision and ambitious goals set forth by the Saudi Arabian government for this futuristic megacity. City is still under development, and the actual realization and success of the project will depend on various factors and ongoing progress.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.